An ordinary lecture can become a well-prepared presentation and thorough demonstration if it is performed on a clean and shiny whiteboard. Every verbal explanation can be well comprehended with the use of visual demonstration and illustration. This is one of the main reasons why professionals and trainers prefer using a whiteboard for their lectures and presentations. It is clean, easy to maintain, and presentable. However, a whiteboard can only be useful and versatile with the use of a dependable whiteboard marker. It is a make-or-break presentation depending on the quality of your whiteboard marker and how long it will last. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best whiteboard markers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. YES4QUALITY Magnetic Whiteboard Markers. Whiteboard markers are used not only for big classrooms and office settings. There are whiteboards at home and even in the kitchen. Some use them to teach children one-on-one. And these smaller whiteboards are very effective teaching tools. They serve as reminder boards both at home, in school, and offices. What I like also about these markers are the small built-in felt erasers on their respective caps. You can use it anytime to correct any small details or letters on your work. These markers can also be used on bigger whiteboards, especially if you are using dark-colored pens. There are times that during your presentation, you either hold on to your other pens or put them in the holder. One of the best things about these markers is the magnets on every cap. These are very useful on metallic whiteboards or those with metal frames where you can stick your magnetic markers on them for easier access. Number 2. Artelius Whiteboards Dry Erase Markers. Fine tip markers may be too fine or invisible for bigger audiences. Chisel tips may sometimes be too bold if used carelessly. But a bullet tip whiteboard marker can do the job more satisfactorily. People choose this type of tip for its consistency and clarity. But of course, it all depends on the quality of the bullet tip marker you plan to purchase and use. Some markers cannot write legibly when used on a slightly bent angle. Some cannot write at all in some writing angle. Any size of whiteboard and marker of this type of tip complement each other well. That is because a bullet tip of this quality can produce a thin line by lightly drawing the pen, while a bold line will consistently flow by pressing it a little bit more. The low odor formulation can give assurance that it is safe to use in closed doors. It is also non-toxic and safe for children, most especially for their school or home activities. Nevertheless, adult supervision is still recommended if being used by younger children. Number 3. Volcanix Chisel Tip Whiteboard Markers. Most people use black whiteboard markers because they are very visible even from a distance. Even black fine point markers are visible from afar. However, some fine tip colored whiteboard markers can hardly be seen, especially in large rooms and bigger audiences. For bigger whiteboards and numerous participants, thick whiteboard markers are a necessity. These are the reasons why presenters, teachers, and trainers choose the chisel-type tip for their whiteboard markers. The Volcanix whiteboard markers are chisel-tip pens in a set of 10 different colors. These colors are more than enough to illustrate different color codes and highlights for every demonstration and presentation. These whiteboard markers can deliver the type of use you need, while making sure that it is safe to use for children and adults. Ideal for closed rooms because of the low odor ink being used. Number 4. MC Squares Whiteboards Tacky Markers. Both dry erase markers and wet erase markers can be used on whiteboards. Both types are accepted as cool whiteboard markers. But there are some differences that a user must consider whenever he plans to purchase or use any of these types of whiteboard markers. While both types of markers can be used effectively on non-porous surfaces like whiteboards, glass, mirrors, and plastic, each type of marker has its advantages and disadvantages. It all depends on how you intend to use them. So if you need a semi-permanent marker for your whiteboard, MC Square Fine Point Smudge-Free markers are the best type to use. It is a set of 12 colors, namely red, orange, purple, cyan blue, lime green, black, pink, gold, Kelly green, royal blue, gray, and lavender. You have a complete color set for every color code or color combinations you need to use for semi-permanent marking on your whiteboard or any non-porous surfaces like glass and plastic. These are also the most recommended markers if your whiteboard is located outdoors. Wet erase markers of these types are durable and resist heat. Number 5. June Gold Dry Erase Whiteboard Markers. Writing on a whiteboard can be very tiring. Not only are you writing vertically, but also you normally write while standing. Odors from the whiteboard marker may also affect your performance and ability to concentrate, thus, affecting the quality of your presentation or teaching. A dependable whiteboard marker is a necessity to overcome these challenges and similar challenging situations. The best whiteboard marker for this job and performance is very crucial. Every pen is ergonomically shaped with a contoured grip for comfortable handling and ease in writing, especially on longer periods. The low odor and non-toxic ink formulation in each pen is very beneficial for the user and participants as well. They may not be some scented whiteboard markers, but the ink odor is low and safe. These markers are non-toxic and conform to ASTM D4236 and EN 7019 standards. You can use every pen with confidence and peace of mind. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.